vacation home, you might think of, maybe a place in the mountains or maybe at the beach.
But that's because we didn't know this was available.
Oh.
This is for anyone who loves chocolate.
Check.
Booking.com has listed this place right now. It's in France. It's a cottage where everything is made of chocolate. About 1.5 tons of chocolate were used to create the cottage. And if you want to stay there, it's a pretty great deal. It's only going to cost you $59 a night. You can reserve the cottage starting tomorrow.
Can you eat it?
Yeah.
Can you eat the cottage?
You might be charged
What
the
happens?
extra if you...
What happens if you start eating the shelves and
yeah,
stuff?
eat the shelf.
Yeah. The walls.
I guess.
Stumbling down the wall.
Oh my goodness. I did not see that coming. I bet it smells.